this?
Because there's a chainsaw guy. You can see him right there. He's got the bag on his
Alright,
head.
ready?
Ready.
Are you recording?
Is he dead?
No.
Done.
Are you for serious?
He has no ammo.
Dead. I have ammo. It would just take forever to load it.
That's so much balls.
It looks so fuzzy on the screen. I hate that.
Really?
Yeah. It makes the screen look round, right? Disco Inferno burn.
I think he's dead.
No, he isn't.
Just wait.
Burn, baby, Disco Inferno burn, baby, burn.
Oh, shit.
It was just a shotgun.
I don't have any shotgun ammo.
Wow, Janae, you're singing skulls.
Headshot doesn't work with this guy.
Parker!
I don't like
Jesus, Parker!
I don't like the chainsaw guy.
Why does he have a mask over his face?
Because he's Dr. Salvador. He sucks butt.
Did he call it?
Now he's dead.
No, he's.
God, I hate him.
No!
I hate him.
Jesus.
Out of anybody, I hate him the worst.
Parker's having a freaking heart attack over
Yes,
here.
I am.
So, like, at Halloween.